How to change speed of YouTube video. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Sometimes on YouTube videos, you might want to speed up the video or slow it down. If that is the case, then in this video, I will guide you on how you can change the speed of your YouTube video. For that, you first want to open the YouTube app on your device. Make sure that it is fully updated. Now, you want to log into your account. Once you have logged in, find the video that you want to change the speed of. You can also tap on the search bar and search for the video that you want to watch. Now to change the speed, tap on the video and this on-screen menu will appear. You want to tap on the gear icon. Once you do, this menu is going to pop up. Here you have the option of playback speed. Tap on that option. Now, if you want to speed up your video, then select any range below normal. For example, if you want to double the speed of video, tap on 2x. And as you can see, the video is speeding up. If you want to slow down the video, then select any number which is above normal. The slowest it can be is 0.25x. If you select this, as you can see, the video is slowing down. Now, if you want the normal speed, you can head back and select normal in this way. And this is how you can change speed of YouTube video. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.